Wazirike commends the arrest of IPOB members for unprovoked killings of security operatives. According to Wazirike, the operatives of the Nigerian police force have arrested 16 suspects for complicity in a series of violent and unprovoked attacks on security operatives and facilities in some states of the Federation, particularly in the southeastern part of Nigeria. The arrest, which is an outcome of painstaking, deliberate and tireless efforts by operatives of the Nigerian police working in collaboration with their counterparts from the Nigerian Army and the Nigerian Air Force, is aimed at bringing to justice persons responsible for the emerging trends of attacks on security personnel and wanton destruction of security facilities and operational assets. The suspect, Ugochukwu Samuel, aka Biggie, 28-year-old native of Arochukwu local government area in Abia State. Raphael Idang, 31-year-old native of Odukpani local government area of Cross River State. Cletus Nwachukwu Egule, aka Alewa, 60 years old native of Olo in Imo State. Michael Oba, 33 years from Imo State, and 12 others in course of investigation were implicated in the multiple felonies committed across several states in the southeastern part of the Federation. The suspects were arrested in various parts of the country following sustained and intelligence-driven sting operations. Police investigations clearly established and linked the suspect to several incidents of attacks and murder of security personnel, as well as stealing, unlawful possessions of firearms, arson and malicious damage to operational assets of military and law enforcement agents. Specifically, investigations revealed that the duo of Ugochukwu Samuel, aka Biggie, and Raphael Idang were among the criminal elements that attacked policemen on duty at a checkpoint on the 24th December 2020 along Olo Ihiala Road in Imo State, where 2 police officers were killed and a police Hilos patrol van set ablaze. In addition, both were parts of a larger group that attacked a police reconnaissance team on 13th January 2021, killing 1 police officer, Ugochukwu Samuel aka Biggie, who sustained a bullet wound during an attack by his gang on a military convoy in which some soldiers were killed and weapons carted away, was subsequently arrested while receiving treatment in a hospital. Both suspects confessed to being active members of IPOB and Eastern Security Network. Cletus Nwachukwu Egule, aka Alewa, a pastor with the Holy Blessed Trinity Sabbath Church, Olo, Imo State, and Michael Oba, a prophet with the Association of Jewish Faith, who were also arrested, are 2 of the mastermind of the various attacks on security personnel, in addition to providing spiritual cover for the gang. Cletus Nwachukwu Egule, aka Alewa's house, was used by the gang members to plan their nefarious operations. He also donated his late brother's farmlands for use as a hideout and training camp for the gang. Thank you for listening to this news. It is a setup. Yes, I said so, that it's a setup. My dear viewers, here you can see how fast it took the Nigerian police to go after the arrest of this IPOB. And that is if truly they are IPOB, because to me, I don't think that the people they arrested are truly IPOB members. That's why I begin my analysis by saying it's a setup. You know, Nigerians now, Nigerian police force. So I can't believe them. It may be that they arrested those patrolling the streets, those hoodlums patrolling the streets that they caught with probably dangerous weapons and dangerous marks on their body. So they decide to take them as IPOB members. That is what they do. That is what they do now. Our Nigerian police force. That's what they do. So that is why I find it difficult to believe them in many of their actions and activities, because that is what they are good at doing. Deceitful, deceiving people, telling all sorts of dangerous lies that doesn't pay. Tell me, what gain are they going to get for doing this? What gain? What has IPOB really done to deserve this maltreatment from our police force? Yes, that is what I'm going to say, definitely. Because I don't know why, when it comes to issue concerning IPOB, you will see how fast the Nigerian military will be moving. But we have the criminals out there. We have the criminals on the streets, the herdsmen, the ones carrying AK-47 about. We have the Boko people they're supposed to go after. They left them only to be going after the innocents. Our country is gradually getting deserted, and very soon it's going to be completely deserted. Don't you know? People are already getting fed up. Can't you see how people are requesting for division? People are requesting for division. You check outside. You've not been checking. Check yourself and you see what I'm talking about. That is true. Nigerians are agitating for division now. Yeah. So let me hear from you anyway. What is your take about this? Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.